what we're going to do today, we're going to install this LockNLube on the Dewalt Grease Gun. So let's go ahead and do that. I've already measured, and this lower nut right here is about, I've got a 12 millimeter on there, and I'm going to use a wrench on the other one here. We're just going to loosen this real quick. Starting to move now after getting it started. Just took a second to get this thing started. Okay, after loosening that up, just go ahead and twist it off. Now we're going to install our LockNLube. So it is threaded, so we're just going to thread it on. Perhaps I should use some Teflon tape here. I don't know. What do you think? Should I come back and put some Teflon tape on it? So we're just going to just screw that on, and now we just need to tighten it up. So again, I'm using 12 here, and this has 2 flat sides, so we can use the 2 flat sides to tighten this. Just want to make sure this is plenty tight. All right. And there we have it. Just unscrew and screw it on, that's it. There's the LockNLube. Okay, just to keep this together, I want to keep this together, so I'm going to put this back in here. We'll tape that up and keep that together, just in case.